Jai Sri Krishna everyone. In this session, I will teach you chapter number 4, plotting data using Matplotlib from NCERT Textbook. First we will see introduction. We have learned how to organize and analysis data and perform various statistical operation on pandas data frames. In chapter number 3, I taught statistical operations. Likewise, in class 11th, we have learned how to analysis numerical data using NumPy. Numerical data using NumPy. NumPy, many functions I taught it. So that place you will go and check it in the pandas numpy.orange function, line space function. So like this I taught it many functions in the NumPy. And NumPy, whenever we will use it in the NumPy module store the data where in array only. The result obtained after analysis is used to make inference or draw conclusion about data. Yes, it will give to the conclusion, means what is the result, whatever data we have analyzed, as well as to make important business decision. Yes, if we are this data, if you are analysis in the any companies in the company every day date wise, if we'll analysis the data date wise, then we can understand that which product customers are liked more. Okay, so then they will comes to the business conclusion, also business decisions they can take it. Sometimes it is not easy to infer by merely looking at the result. In such cases, visualization helps in better understanding of results of the analysis. See, visualization means through the graph we are analysis these data. So what is data visualization? It means graphical or pictorial representation of the data using graph, chart, etc. Data visualization means visualize it through graphical or pictorial format, means through the graph or through the chart, through the diagram. Pictorial means through the diagram, visualize the data. Now whenever you are going, so that times you can see that signal. Okay, so signal places what happened, red light is there, then green light is there, and one more light, which light is there, yellow light, red, green and yellow. And somewhere you can see that mark has given left if you will go, right you will go. Okay, so then if you will go to the right side, then which place you will be reach. If you will go to the left side, then which place you will reach. So like this arrow mark is given. Why? For visualization. The purpose of plotting data is to visualize variance or show relationship between variables. Yes, so it will display all the variance, and variance I already taught in chapter number 3. What is variance? And that's why I will not explain once again. And it will display the relationship in the variables. If we'll take many variables, so then it will help. Visualization also help to effectively communicate information to intended users. Effectively communicate, because through the visualization anyone can easily understand it, and whenever we will use it in the visualization, so that times we will see many graphs. Just like traffic symbols, I already explained this one, signals. ultrasound reports. Yes, ultrasound reports, that is also given in the picture format only. Atlas book of maps, speedometer of a vehicle, yes, tuners of instruments are few examples of visualizations. Yes, so you can see that whenever you will press the any key of the harmony in the music instrument, so every key generated the same type of tunes. No, it is different. So that we come across in our daily lives. So like this visualizations in the daily life you are looking. Now visualization of data is effectively used in field like health, finance, science, mathematics and engineering. Many places. Health, just like ultrasound reports, your CT scan, many things through the visualizations we can easy to understand the problem. Finance department means in the any company which product liked by the customers, which product liked by the customers, so that one in the finance department, so then easily they will calculate, means in the which product they are earning more. Okay, science, you will see in the bio, physics and chemistry also, normally in the bio through the pictures only they are displaying. Mathematics through the graphs, staticals, mathematics displaying through the graphs only, and the engineering just like the construction part, any other parts also. So in this chapter we will learn how to visualize the data using Matplotlib library of Python by plotting the charts such as line, bar, scatter with respect to the various types of data. So what is Matplotlib? It is a library in Python, and here many types of graph is given, line, bar, scatter, we will see this one through the program. So plotting using Matplotlib. So whenever you create the Matplotlib, so first you have to install the Matplotlib. pip install Matplotlib. So what is Matplotlib? It is a library and it is used for creating statistic, animated and interactive 2D plots. 2D plots is what? 2D dimensional, and our data frame is also 2D dimensional, means x axis, y axis, and graph is also present as a x and y axis only, or figures in the Python. It can be installed using the following pip command. And what is pip? Pip is a package. Pip is a package. So here in this package many library functions are there, so that is why through the pip we will install whatever library you want to use it in the program. So Matplotlib, how you will install it? So first through the keyboard you press it Windows key plus R, Windows key plus R, then CMD. Afterwards CMD, write it in the open places this window, and then after press the OK button. Now look at this screen, this is the DOS mode, and here you will write it pip install Matplotlib, pip install Matplotlib, press the enter key. Then see, I already installed, so that is why here mentioned that requirement already satisfied. Requirement already satisfied. And in your system first times whenever you will install it, little bit, just 2 to 3 minutes it will take and it will install. It's not required any connection, Wi-Fi connection. Without Wi-Fi connections also it will install, because you have already installed Python. Without installation of Python we cannot install it library. Now come to here, and for plotting using Matplotlib we need to import its pyplot module. So Matplotlib is what? Matplotlib Matplotlib. Matplotlib is a library. It is a library, and then Matplotlib one module is there, that is pyplot. This one is used for graph, for displaying the graph. Which one? Pyplot. So that is why whenever you want to analyze your data through the graph, so that times import matplotlib dot pyplot as plt. Plt is what? Plt is a alias name. We can use any other alias also, you know that one. Now come to this place, this components of a plot. See, this is the title of the graph. It will come to the middle. Now this is your y-axis, and this one is your x-axis. Okay, x tick is what? X tick, this is the point. Whatever point is there, just like 2013, 14, 15, 16, 17. These points are called x ticks, and these points are called y ticks in the y label. And y label, this is the y label means y axis name, and this year has given, that is what? This is x axis name. This is the plotting area. This is the plotting area. Okay. And now come this one, legend. Legend is what? If many lines are there, just like here light blue color is there, then yellow color is there, another is there, so mustard yellow. So whenever multiple lines is there, that times legend is easy to tell that this lines for, suppose this purple color, so this purple color will tell that this lines for suppose I am telling that date. Okay, then red has given, so red will display, then it will display as a temperature. So like that, it will tell that which color for which one, that will tell. So this is the legend. Legend is also very helpful whenever we have a multiple datas. The Python module of Matplotlib contains a collection of functions that can be used to work on a plot. Yes, it contains a collection of pyplot is what? It is a module. So you know that pandas is what? Pandas is a library. NumPy is what? NumPy is also a library. So in the NumPy we have seen many modules, many functions. So same in the pandas also we have seen that many modules and functions. So now we will learn in the Matplotlib many functions and modules. So in the pyplot is a module, and here it is and every module is a collection of functions. The plot function of the pyplot module is used to create a figure. So plot function, plot. So pyplot is what? It is a module. So in the pyplot, which function is there? Plot function is there. So plot function, what it will do? It will create a figure. Yes, plt.plot whenever you will write it, so then it will create a figure. Figure means graph. It will create a graph. plt.show, whenever show we will write it, so then it will display the graph. What will do? Display the graph. So these are the function. A figure is overall window where the outputs of pyplot functions are plotted. A figure contains a plotting area. Plotting area, that means suppose this is x, y, and this is called plotting area. Legend, axis labels, ticks, title. I already explained this one. Each function makes some change to a figure. Yes, whenever you will edit this one, just like axis label, if you will edit, so then it will display the x label name, y label name, title if you will mention, then it will come to in the graph's title in center. Legend if you will mention, so it will come to this side also, your right side, otherwise left side corner side, it will show that. ticks if you will mention, then it will display that this one is exactly whatever points you have taken in the xy's, that point it will be displaying. While ticks if you will mention to that point, exactly same numbers will take it. So example, create a figure, creates a plotting area in a figure, plots some lines in a plotting area, decorates the plots with labels, everything we will see. It is always expected that data presented through charts easily understood. Yes, whenever you will present the data through the charts, so then easily understand by everyone. So while presenting data, we should always give a chart title. Why? Then easily they can understand that this chart for which topic. Labels also you will mention, labels the edges of the chart and provide legend in case we have more than one plotted data. Whenever we have more than one plotted data, that means multiple data, so that times we will use it legend, otherwise no needed to use legend. We will see through the programs also. To plot x versus y, we can write plt.plot x comma y. X comma y means x axis, which data you want to pass it, that one you should write, that variable, and y axis. So first it will come x axis data, then y axis data. The show function is used to display the figure created using the plot function. Okay, so plot function what will do? To create the graph, and show function what will do? It will display it. So now this is as given, plotting temperature against height. So this is the program. Okay, first import matplotlib dot pyplot. So why you are writing pyplot? Because pyplot is a module. And matplotlib, it is a library. So in this library, pyplot is a module to display the graph, and pyplot has many functions. Which one? Plot, dot show, like this. So here this is the importing. Second one has taken data. So date has taken, temperature has taken. Date 25th December, 26th December, 27th December, and temperature has taken 8.5, 10.5, 6.8. And plt.plot, plot to creating the graph. plt.plot, this is x axis and this is y axis. So x axis has placed taken date and y axis has taken at TMP, temperature, then plt.show. So whenever you will display, look at this is the data. Now you can see that it starts from 7 to 10.5. Okay, 7 to 10.5. 7 data is here in the y axis. No, it starts from 6.8. Okay, then also it has taken 7. Systems will take automatically these data. Now this is the graph, 25th graph, 26th graph, 27th graph. 25th 8.5, then 26, this is 10.5, and this one is less one, 6.8. So this is the graph. This graph, if you want to save it, so then you can save it through this plt.savefig. No needed to write the extension png. You can use it jpeg also, even jpeg also, any format, whatever image format you can write it here. Then your file name dot extension of the image. So like this you can save that graph, particular graph. So plot is provided with two parameters. You know that x axis and y axis. X and y ticks are displayed accordingly. Whenever x and y ticks, if you will mention, then what happened? We will see in the figure 4.2. Then it will take exactly that data only. Here you can see that mention that from 7.0 to 10.5. So whenever you will mention x ticks and y ticks, then what happened? What is the value is given? 6.8. So here it will display only three numbers: 6.8, 8.5, and then 10.5, only 3 values for y ticks, and x ticks this one 25, 26, 27. If you will use grid, so grid what happen, it will in the take as a line x axis and y axis, take in the lines, and in the lines it will display the data. This is the white, in the white page it is displaying the graph, but whenever you will use it grid equal to true, then grid equal to false also you can take it, but whenever you will write grid equal to true, then it will come with the lines. Grid equal to false, it will not display any lines, just like a white. Now you can see list of pyplot functions to plot different charts. So many charts we have. First is plot. Plot means line chart. Line chart, bar, 4 bar chart, and bar is horizontal is also there. Box plot, histogram, pie plot, and scatter. So these are the names of the chart. So now we will see how we can do through this program. First we will see 4.1. Look at same data. Now see, check it, 8.5, 10.5, and then 6.8. This is simple graph in the white page. So now look at here, your graph color is by default which color? Blue color. This one is also, remember that you are not using any color here. Where? Here we are not taking any color. So by default, what is the color? This is blue color. So Matplotlib by default graph color is blue. Now through here also you can save the picture. Save the figure has written, just click it. Now you can write it and save as type portable network graphics, that is PNG. Even you want to change, you can change it also. I don't want to save, so that is why I will not use it. So like this also you can save it. Otherwise here also you can write plt.savefig and then afterwards file name. Now we will see 4.2. Same data, plotting a line chart of date versus temperature by adding label on x and y axis and adding a title and grid. What you will add? Adding a title and grids to the chart. Look at here, I have given to the name of x label, y label, then title also, then grid I have written, grid equal to 2, then line in graph. X ticks place what I have written, x axis, this one date, same variable you will use it, do not take other variable, otherwise error will generate. Then y ticks, temperature, legend place you can write it, x axis also, y axis also. Now plt.show, and this is the plt.savefig p4 underscore 2.jpg. Now run it. Achha, this one where it will save, whenever whatever location you are saving your program, same place this figure also will save in the JPG format. I have written extension as a JPG. Whatever format you will take it, that format it will save. Now run. See the changes. Okay, legend I have used, and which one? X axis one. So that is why it's displaying that. See, here is only one type of data. So that is why in the blue color it's displaying the, look at here, 6.8, 8.5 and 10. Only 3 data has taken in the x axis. 3 data, and in the, look at here, from 7.0 to 10.5 has taken. Okay, automatically systems will generate this in the y axis label, and x axis only 3 data, so 3 data has mentioned that. Whenever multiple data, so that times it will vary. 4.1, 4.2. Look at here. So now here you can see that this is the ticks. So wherever you will write it, x ticks X-Tix date. So look at here, and the date has taken, and it will exact this one. See, through the lines. This is called grid. This is called grid. Grid. So then look at here. Okay, 6.8, and in the down also it is mentioned that X value and Y value. X is 27 by 12, Y equal to 6.8. 6.826. This is exact. Then now look at here, this one. Okay, so like this it will display whenever X-Tix and Y-Tix if you will mention. If you will not mention X-Tix and Y-Tix, just press the hashtags X-Tix and Y-Tix. Press it. Now you can see. See. Okay. What you can see the changes from 7.0 to 10.5 has taken. Okay. Date has only 3 has taken. So, but in the whenever ticks we are taking, so this data in the Y label, it will come only to the 3, that exact one. Clear, children? So this is the difference between X-Tix and Y-Tix. If you will not write X-Tix and Y-Tix, so then randomly systems will take the numbers and then afterwards data will generate it. So these are the many types of graphs. You can use it one by one. Now customization of plot. Customization means more specific you can do in the plot. PyPlot library give us numerous functions which can be used to customize charts, such as adding the titles we have seen, or legend also. That one we have seen. Grid also I have shown you. Grid, legend, save figure. Grid, what is doing? Configure the grid lines. Means it will come to the line wise, X and Y. This legend, it will display the axis parts. Okay. Save figure, it will save the current figure. Show, display all the figures. Display all the figures means in the graph, in the Pythons, we at a time it will display only one figure. Title, set a title. So title is displaying in the center. X labels, name of the X label. X-Tix get or set the current tick location. Tick location means exact location. This is called tick. This is called hash also. Hash mark also it is telling in the maths. Y label, label of the Y means title of the Y axis. Y-Tix, mark of the graph, mark of the Y edges. And figure 4.2 I already explained through the example. Now come marker. Marker also we can use it. Marker, it is also a function. Some other changes to plot by passing various parameters to the plot. See, marker, whenever you will use it, then what happened? This exact point marker will mark it. Any symbols. Here is also many symbols. We will see it. Look at here. If you will do it just point. So this is for symbol of circle one, filled one. Now comma for single dot. Now this is O for this is this one. See, this is for pixel. This is the description has given. Okay, that one we cannot write it. These symbols we can use it. Okay, whenever symbols you will use it, so then this one will display. This type of symbols will display. Circle for O you will write it. B for triangle down. This is what I can tell that meaning has given triangle up. Okay, less than, greater than, so meanings as given 1, 2, 3 you can use it. 8 for octagon, S for a square, P for pentagon, P for plus also, plus in the field. This is asterisk for star, H for hexagon 1, capital H for hexagon 2, plus for plus without field. This X for X only, and small x and capital X for filled X. So these are the markers. In the markers also you can join it. How you will join, I will show you. Now color. So colors code has given. If you don't remember the color code, what you will do, write exactly that color name also, then it will display. Do not think that whatever colored has mentioned here, only this one you can take it. Not necessary. You can take it another also. B for blue, G for green, R for red, C for cyan, M for magenta, Y for yellow, K for black, W for white. You can see that every color's names starting character has taken except black. Black K has taken. Otherwise everyone is this one, starting character. Now line width and line style. What is line width and line style? Line width and line style property can be used to change the width, means thin to thick. This one. The width and style of the line chart. Style of the line chart, if you want to take another style, so that one you can take it. The default line width is 1 pixel. So this one very necessary to remember. So by default line width is which one? 1 pixel. So whenever you will write it, line width equal to 2, 3, 4. Whenever you will increase the numbers, your line should become as a thickness. Number greater than 1 with output a thicker line depending on the value provided. Now line style. Line style has given this one, such as solid, dotted, dashed or dash dot. This one I will show you through the example also. Now you just write in your notes, solid symbol is one line, one dash line. Dotted is column. Now dashed whenever given, so then 2 dash line. Dash dot that is dash and then dot, like this. So this is our line style. So these line styles also you can use it. You can write solid, otherwise you can use this one, dash. You can write dotted, otherwise column. You can write dashed or double dash. You can write dash dot or these symbols. So this is the symbols. So that one we will see now. Program number 4.3. Calculate the average heights and weights. What is taken? Average heights and weights of person aged 8 to 16 stored in the following two lists. So height list has given and the weight list has given. So what you have to need to mention, let us plot a line chart. So in the line chart, what you will display? X-axis you will X-axis plus what you will take? Weight. Y-axis plus height. X-axis label name you will give weights in kg. Y-axis label name you give height in centimeter. Color of the line should be green. Color also you take as a green. Use as a marker which one? Asterisk. Marker size is 10. The title of the chart should be average weight with respect to average. Whenever like this mentioned in the program, same exactly you take like that. Line style should be dashed. What is the line style? Dash means which one? This one. Line width should be 2. So line width has given, line style has given. By default line width is 1. So now pie plot and this is the data, height and weight. Import pandas also has taken. We will see height, weight, data frame. In the data frame you are converting height and weight. You know that in the data frame in pandas, whenever we are taking the multiple variable, that times what we are writing? Data equal to, then in the curly braces we are writing all the datas. Okay, all the datas. But here we cannot use it in the pie plot. So what will write? Exactly whatever variable you have taken, this one in the mention height, colon height. weight colon weight means height you are denoting as a height variable, weight you are denoting as a weight variable. This much only. You cannot change it. If you will change it, this H is also capital, W is capital, then it will not accept. Now X label, weight in kg. Y label, height in centimeter. Then title, this one. Now PLT dot plot. Plot is what? Plot by default it will accept line graph and line only told by the questions. DF dot weight, that means X axis data, you know that pie plot what will write first, X axis then Y axis. DF dot weight, then this is Y axis, DF dot height, because in the data frame we have mentioned weight and height. Marker, what is the marker symbol? Asterisk. Marker size 10. Color, which color? Green. Do not write COLOUR, this one do not write. These all are parameters. We cannot take it marker plus MAR. Okay, marker size plus MS, we cannot write it. Okay, this is the parameters, remember that. Marker, marker size, color, then line width is 2, line style has dash dot. Dash dot is wrong because in the question mention that which one? Dashed. Line style should be dashed. So do not write dash dot, you will mention where? Here, dashed. So this one. Okay, only this word is wrong. So now you can see that marker what we have taken? Star. So in this, that is why it came as a star, and the every point wise it will come to this star. And now dashed we have taken, so this one mentioned with the dash dot, so that is why dash and dot it's coming. Now we will see through the program number, which one this is? 4.3. If here remember the line style equal to dashed. Now so what is the dash symbol? 2 dash. So here 2 dash, then 2 dash, 2 dash, 2 dash, 2 dash will come. One is, and this is the line width. Now you will see if the line width if will give more. This is 4.1. Okay, now come. If I will change line width 2 places 3. Now run. See, line is thick, not thin. So whenever you will increase the size, it will thick the line. Now marker size also, marker size we have taken 10, you can take it 20, 25 like this, so then it will come more. Now marker color also you can take it. Okay, green we have taken, so that is why it came in the both color. Line also and marker color, both color has came in the same. If you want to use it marker color, so suppose if I mentioned here comma marker color equal to, suppose I want to give red, so red one R. Error, got an unexpected keyword argument marker color, but it is used. Now I forget, but one attribute is there for marker color also. We can take it as a marker color also. We will see in the later this one. So now you have seen that this program. Now the pandas plot function pandas visualization. In program 4.1 and 4.2, we learned that plot function of the pyplot module of Matplotlib can be used to plot our charts. Yes, 4.1 and 4.2, what you have learned? You learned that how to create a chart, how to display a chart with the X label, Y labels, X labels, Y labels, X ticks, Y ticks, then legend, grid. We have seen that. So however, starting from version 0.17.0, pandas object series and data frame come equipped with their own dot plot methods. On dot plot method means this is the Python version has given. Whenever series and data frame in the pandas has came, then afterwards on dot plot method is also available. This plot method is just a simple wrapper around the plot function of pyplot. So in the series and data frame, what we will use? On dot plot. And plot function, it is a pyplot function. Okay, just like a wrapper of the plot functions. So you can write it s dot plot or df dot plot. On plot means what? On places what will mention? Series object or data frame object. So in the whenever we'll create the series, after creation of the series, we can write it that series object dot plot. So then that data is also visualized it, and data frame dot plot for displaying the data frame, and plt dot plot, that is for Matplotlib pyplot. So the plot method of pandas accept a considerable number of arguments that can be used to plot a variety of graphs. Okay, so plot methods in the pandas accept a many arguments that can be variety of graphs. It allows customizing different plots type by supplying the kind keyword argument. Okay, customizing means specification has provided in the plot, so then different types of plots is available with the keyword argument. The general syntax is plt dot plot. Plt is what? Alias name dot plot kind. Kind also you can write it if you want to change it, if you want to take it any other graph. So then kind equal to, we will write bar. So kind is what? It is a keyword argument. So here we can write it types of graph, where kind accept a string indicate the type of dot plot. So we will see this one. Look at here, kind equal to line. If you will write, so then it will come line plot. It is by default, so that is why we are writing plt dot plot. Okay, and plot by default it is accepting line chart, so that is why we are not writing kind. If you will mention kind equal to line, then also it will display line chart only. Line. Bar for vertical bar graph, bar h for horizontal bar graph, hist for histogram. Histogram, it is also type of plot. It is also type of plot means type of graph. Box plot, it will display area. Pie, scatter, in the dot 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 it will display. This for scatter. So these are the plots. Now plotting a line chart. How you can plot a line chart? A line plot is a graph that shows the frequency of data along a number line. Yes, it will display a data with the number line. It is used to show continuous data sets. Okay, it is displaying the continuous data set. A line plot is used to visualize growth or decline in a data over a time interval. Yes, it is displaying the growth also. Otherwise, whenever it will going to the down, that one is also it will display through the time interval. We have already plotted line chart through program 4.1 and 4.2. That one I have displayed already. Now this is 4.4, and this one, what is taken that? This is CSV file, melacells.csv, and this is the CSV file format, week 1, week 2, week 3. So I have also taken in the same data in the MS Excel, and then afterwards .csv. Through .csv you save this Excel file, then afterwards you can call that name melacells.csv, and I have already shown that how to save in the CSV file in Excel file. Now afterwards, this one, chart titles as melacells report, axis label as days, axis label as cells in rupees. That means that is x axis label's name days, y axis label name is cells in rupees. Now line color are red for week 1, blue for week 2 and brown for week 3. We have a 3 datas, week 1, week 2 and week 3. Now, so pandas CSV file is there. So pandas, then afterwards Matplotlib, you take it. pd.read CSV, you know that whenever we are importing the CSV file, then read CSV will use it. melacells.csv. Kind, which df is what? This is this one. This file where we saved in the data frame. So in this data frame, we'll write df.plot. Otherwise, what we are writing? plt.plot. This one. Okay. So df.plot, kind equal to line, then color, 3 colors. So it is, that's why red, blue, brown. Red color for week 1 and blue for week 2 and brown for week 3. Now title, label, X label, Y label, then display the figure. We will see 4.4. Look at here, kind equal to line. This kind equal to line place, you can change it to the another chart name. Kind equal to bar, kind equal to bar h, kind equal to hist, like this. And marker equal to what I have taken? 3. So marker equal to 3, it will generate in the different symbol. Look at here, marker equal to 3. And this is week 1. See here multiple data is there, so that is why Lisent will generate. This one displaying that week 1 for red color, week 2 for blue color and week 3 for brown color. Now you just check it here in the program. Did you mention that anywhere week 1 for red color, week 2 for blue color, week 3 for brown color? No, it is continuous data. Okay. If you in the mela.csv file format here, if you will write here week 1 places week 5, then 7, then 9. So week 5 for this is the first one, first column. So first column, whatever you will take it, that one will. So this is also accepting as a continuous order. Okay, line width, marker, size. Now see this one are marker marker what I have taken 3. If you will write different, so then it will come as a different also. Marker color, I will tell you that marker color also we can take it. Now come customizing line plot. Customizing line plot, same graph. What you will do? You will mention text also. Okay, X text and labels, where text is a list of location. List of location means that graphed mark on X axis at which text should be placed. Label is a list of items to place at the given text. Now look at your marker size is taken, line style equal to dashed, line width 3. Same thing, just only one thing is different here. This is added. Text equal to df dot index dot to list, this one. Okay, and then x takes place what mentioned? Text means this one. Index dot to list means index is a row axis. We are taking also na record. So like this. So that one has taken as an index. Now this is text has taken and this one has taken as a label. So x-axis label, what has taken as a x-axis? That is days. So df dot days. Check it here. So df dot days means, come here as a figure, days whenever you will mention it, it will display all the days. Because in the CSV file what is given? Week 1, week 2, week 3, did not mention any days. So whenever you will write dot day, then it will display days also of that graph. And you know that day, how many total? You know very well, that is 7 days only. So it will start from here, Monday. So these two lines we will add it. First, text equal to df dot index dot to list. Anywhere you can write it, but before the show function, remember that. Text equal to df dot index dot to list. See, already came here to numpy, to series, to transpose, union, which one you want to take, like this. Okay, text equal to df dot index dot to list. Now plt dot x text, plt dot x text. Now what we will write? Text comma df dot days, df dot day. Error. Why? Data frame object has no attribute day. I have written in the small letter. So now write in the capital. No attribute day. Somewhere I think wrong. Let's see, check it. Matplotlib pandas, then read CSV, line color is 3 colors, marker, marker size, line width, line style. Okay, line style equal to, if we'll put it, dash dot then plt dot title, x label, Y label, df dot index dot to list, then x6 equal to text comma df dot day. If I will take it, I have taken everything in the correct format only. Write it in the bracket, the list. Let's check it. Data from object has no attribute D. Okay, I will check this one once again, and I will tell you that where it generates the problem. Here x ticks only, this place only, because in the x ticks we can take it, if you will go here and the x ticks places where it is. In the back only. Look at here, x ticks and labels, we can write it in the list also. Look at here, and the y ticks comma labels, we can mention it, but not accepting. So once again I will check it. So whenever I will show the one by one program, that times you can check it. Everything I have taken, same in the program 4.4 only, just only two things has mentioned, ticks and this one. Ticks has correct only to the plt.xticks. Plt.xticks, yeah. Can we mention df.xticks? But xticks is in the plt's function only. Okay, anyway, we will see in the another next topic, plotting bar chart. So line chart, you have seen that, and figure 4.6 show that the cells for all the weeks increase during the weekend. Here you can see that here in the weekend, in Saturday and Sunday, it is increased. Other than weekends is also so that cells increased on Wednesday for week 1, Thursday for week 2 and Tuesday for week 3. See, like this you can visualize the data, but the lines are unable to efficiently depict comparison between the weeks for which the cells data is plotted. See, through the lines it is displaying, so that is why it is unable to efficiently depict the comparison between of the weeks 1 and weeks 2 and weeks 3. Like this, comparison part is not depicted. So in order to show comparisons, we prefer bar charts. So bar charts, what we will write? Kind equal to bar. This is for display the bar graph in vertical, and bar h whenever we will write it, so then display the bar graph in horizontal. To plot a bar chart, we display the kind equal to bar. So we will see same, just only what we will change it, kind equal to bar. Then x equal to day. Title, you can mention it in the same place, title equal to this. Otherwise down also you can mention it, just only kind equal to bar. So here I will change it. So this one I'm putting as a hashtag. I will see this one why it came wrong. Here kind equal to bar. What is given? Unexpected keyword argument marker, because in the bar graph marker is not required, so marker remove it, marker size also remove it. Every chart has different format, little bit different, not much more. See, look at here, week 1 for red color, week 2 for blue color, week 3 for brown color. Now look at here, this is for 0 means Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, like this has shown, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Okay, so look at here, this is in the, see, easily we can visualize that, and the red color, that means Sunday, it is more data. Okay, that means more cells. Weekend here. Now here Wednesday. So see the comparison part. So easily in the bar graph we can do it. So here if we will mention bar H, add it, bar H for bar graph in horizontal. Run it. Okay. Okay, so this one is not working. Line style equal to dash dot, line width equal to 2, this one is working, but line style equal to dash dot, it is not working here. So this is the bar graph. Now customization bar chart I already explained. So this is the example is given. Look at here, line style also has taken double dash, but why my one is not used? This is the edge color. Edge color also you can use edge color. This is green color, and line style is also has taken in the double dash, means dashed. I think my one is a thin, that's why it is not displaying. Let's see once more times. Line width equal to 2. This is the line width. Same color, that one. Let's check it. Line width, line style, comma, line style equal to dashed. Line color I will take as a equal to black for K. K represent as a black color. Let's check. Line color. Oh, edge color. Sorry, not line color. Edge color. CD graph. Same color, that's why that time it is not displaying. Now edge color I have taken as a different, so that's why it is displayed. means line style parameter is also accepted by the bar graph. Now come plotting histogram. Histogram are column charts. What is that? Column charts, where each column represents a range of values. Each column means week 1, week 2 and week 3 represent a range of values, and the height of a column corresponds to how many values are in that range. How many values are there, that one it will display. To make a histogram, the data is sorted into bins. So data first you have to sort it into bins, and the number of data points in each bin is counted. So here in the histogram, what we will use it? Bins. It will count the number of data points. The height of each column in the histogram is then proportional to the number of data point its bin contains. Okay, so in the bins, height of each column it will store. So kind equal to hist, automatically select the size of the bins. No needed to you mention the size of the bins, it automatically will take it. Now based on the spreads of values, so this is the data. Okay, height and weight, and this is the name height and weight, where we have used somewhere, we also used in the which program number 1, 2, even we will see here also in this graph. It will display it or not. Just copy, because now we need to change it. So that's why copy, new file, paste it here. Kind equal to, we will write hist, HIST, and we know needed color, line style, because it will take as a bins. Kind equal to hist. So here, what is the program? Program number 4.8. Plot 4.8. Look at here. Okay, cells in rupees, then this is the days, this is the bins already taken that. Okay, 3000, 4000, 5000, 6000, automatically it's taking, we are not giving. So now we'll see through the, look at this is histogram as output, exactly same it's came. Okay, height and weight, it is displaying that. Here it is displaying week 1, week 2, because we have seen in the week 1, week 2, week 3. And the legend have we taken? No. Look at here. We did not take any legend. Then also in the histogram, it is displayed as a legend. So histogram also we have seen. Now customization of histogram. So customization of histogram, taking the same data as above. Now let's see how the histogram can be customized more specific. Let us change the edge color, which is the border of each hist, to green. Now change the line style to colon. Colon means what? That is colon 1, tell me. Dotted. And line width is 2. You just change it, the as color as a green, then line style is a dotted, then line width is 2. Let us try another property called filled property, which takes boolean values. The default true means each list will be filled with color. Okay, means whenever you will write fill equal to true, then what will take it as a filled with the color, and if you will write false, then it will empty. Another property called hatch can be used to fill the each list with pattern. So in the patterns also you can fill it. This one minus, plus, multiplication, division, asterisk, this one x, okay, o, small o, capital O, dot. This is the hash pattern. So we will see this one. So what we will need it, this is the data we have taken at the which one, CSV file. Edge color we will mention it, edge color as a green, line width is 2, line style is dotted, and fill is false. So that's why fill is false, then empty. H equal to O, so filled with O. Look it here, filled with O. We'll see through the example. Here, so where it is here, kind equal to hist, comma, edge color equal to green, comma, line width equal to 2, comma, line style equal to colon or dotted also, word also you can mention. Then fill equal to false. We'll see both, false also, true also. Fill equal to false, then hatch equal to this is O. This much only? Yes. Invalid. O, FIL fill, not FILL fill. What happened by fill equal to false? See, yes, if FILL fill has given equal to false, yeah, fill which takes boolean values, fill equal to false and true. Fill equal to false. Oh, I did not give, I think, comma. Yes. Yes, comma I did not give. Look at here. This is the O, filled with the O, and we have written fill equal to false, so that is why it is not filled. Okay, now we will see in with the true also. This is week 1, week 2 and week 3. Week 3 for UU. Now if we'll mention fill equal to true. See, filled with the green color also. Okay, so look at here. Whenever you will do filled equal to fill equal to true, then it will fill with the color, and your hatch also will display. So this is the histogram. So in the histogram, what will take? Bin it will take by default, and according to that it will count. Now come using open data. There are many websites that provide data freely for anyone to download and do analysis for educational purpose. So these are called open data as the data source. Open data as the data source and is open to the public. These are called open data. Okay, so in the website, whenever you will go, you can see in the many government website has given. So that place is for educational purpose. We can analyze these types of data. This is freely available. These types of data are called open data. Availability of the data for access and use promotes further analysis and innovation, just like NCERT textbooks. Now also I am teaching through the NCERT textbook, and it is freely available in the NCERT in the CBSE website. Okay, in the CBSE website, if you will go, anyone can download these textbooks and anyone can use it for educational purpose. Just like I am using for teaching purpose. I am not selling this one. You cannot sell it, you can use it. So like these are also data. So you can promote further analysis and innovation. A lots of emphasis is being given to open data to ensure transparency. Transparency means whenever it is there, it is a truth part only. Accessibility and innovation. So from where you will get it? Open Government Data Platform India. These places you will go. You can access the data and you can see the transparency of the data. Means everything is written as a what I can tell that in the Hindi, sachai wali baat. Okay? This is called transparency and innovation. You can use it as an innovation also. So where you will get data.gov.in. This is the website. To access this data and you will get it open data. It is initiative of the Government of India. Okay, so this is the Government of India's website where you will get it the open data. You can for the educational purpose. So let us consider a data set called Seasonal and Annual Mix Max Temperature Series India from 1901 to 2017. So look at here, seasonal and annual minimum and maximum temperature series in India from 1901 to 2017. This is the continuous data. So here you will go it and then afterwards write it, just like in the Google we are searching. So like this you will search it, you will get it, and that one you can use it. So this is the plot minimum and maximum temperature and observe the number of times, means frequency, a particular temperature has occurred. We only need to extract the annual minus mean and annual minus max columns from the file. Also let us aim to display two histogram plots. See, two histogram plots. So for first one annual minus mean, second one annual minus mean and annual minus max. You will do it. Look at here, this one pd.read CSV file, that means this format you have to download it and afterwards change it. Maybe it is there in the CSV file because I did not check it, that one. Okay, you can check it, and then if it is not there any other format, so that one you just change it in the if Excel format has given, because data has given the temperature data, so that's why it will come to the Excel file only. It's my thinking level told like that. Okay, so that one you convert to the CSV and afterwards you will do it. Use calls. So this is the columns names, you have to use it, annual minus mean, annual minus max. Now this CSV file will convert into data frame. Afterwards kind equal to hist you call, y label, title, this is the name has given, means title, y label name, title, and this is the temperature has mentioned. Okay, x label names, y label names, y equal to annual minus mean. So like this you will use it. Kind equal to, again hist has mentioned, title equal to this. Okay, color has taken. So like this you will do it, and look at this is the data. Annual minus mean, annual minus mean 1, and this one annual minus mean, and then annual minus max. This is the data. Now mean max temperature. This is. Now come to the scatter chart. What is scatter chart? It is a two-dimensional data visualization method. Uses dots to represent, just like histogram what we have seen, beans. Histograms only use the beans. Okay, bar graph has two types, bar vertical and bar H, bar horizontal and bar only, two types. Here everything except in the line, many things is accepted. Now scatter chart. So scatter chart, which one is important? Dots to represent the value obtained for two different variables, one plotted along the x-axis and other plotted along the y-axis. Scatter plots are used when you want to show the relationship between two variables. Whenever you want to display the relationship between two variables, that times you will use it scatter plots. Sometimes it is called correlation plots also. So scatter plots is called correlation. Correlation, because they show how two variables are correlated, means how two variables are related to each other. That one is showing that. So that is why it is called correlating. Additionally, the size, shape or color of the dot could present a third or even or fourth variable. You can mention it. Check it here. See which one is different, that one you will see. This one pie plot, numpy has taken, okay, two variables has taken. Now scatter, x equal to discount, y equal to cells. Now everything. So if I will use it, kind equal to scatter in the same here hist places, I will take another, this one I will copy, another program here for scatter. So scatter only, to remove everything here we will write scatter. We can write it SCATTER, scatter. Okay. Let's now run. Plot scatter. What is that? Scatter requires an x and y columns. We did not take x and y columns. Okay, x equal to y equal to. So we will take different example. Suppose this one, height and weight. Let innovates. df equal to pd dot data frame, pd dot data frame height comma weight here we will mention x equal to height comma y equal to weight. Invalid syntax it is taking. If will not write this one. Listen, do not do this one. If we will mention here height equal to pd dot data frame, now here pd dot data frame, now then df dot plot then this one will come as a problem. We cannot take df. Plot dot scatter. Data frame is not subscriptable. Okay, so then we have to call numpy. Simply import numpy as pd, now np dot pd dot array, pd dot array, now pd dot array. Object has no subscriptable. Why bhai? np dot array. Okay. Bracket, I did not use it. Okay, put it the bracket. See, whenever you will not implement in the program, then you will not understand that. It's better you have to implement the program with the any random numbers, and whatever in the books is provided, if you will take it, then look at came already. So one little things, look at here, it's came to the numpy. If we will use it in the, this is the scatter, only the dots will represent. Now if we will check it in the data frame, I told that if we'll mention this one numpy places pandas. Let me check pandas, import pandas as pd. Now pd dot what will do, data frame. Here also data frame. That time I have taken here plot, it will come plt because plt is a members alias. Okay, same is generated. So through the data frame, through the numpy, you can use it. Look at here, so that line also will accept it. At a little bit there also some problem. So in the scatter, what you can see that in the dotted part it will come like this. Okay, so in the scatter what we needed, x axis and y axis. Now look at here, scatter color equal to red in middle, line width is 3, marker is also strict, edge color is blue, edge color is blue. So in the edge color, so that one, whenever the marker edge color we will take it, so that times we have to mention edge color. So I have written that times marker color, so marker color places you will mention edge color, then you will get it your answer. Now plotting quartiles and box plot. Quartiles means what? You know that it will divide into 4 parts, divides into 4 parts, and this is the box plot. So suppose an entrance examination of 200 marks is conducted at the national level. So what is the total marks? 200, and Mahi has topped the exam by scoring 120 marks. The result shows 100 percentile against Mahi's name, which means all the candidates excluding Mahi above scored less than Mahi. Means Mahi's percentile is 100% because it is the highest. This is the percentile. Percentile and percentage both are different, children. Remember that. Percentile when your highest is going on, so that is called percentile. Topper one. For 100, according to that percentiles will come to the below. So then except Mahi, all the names will come below. To visualize this kind of data, we use quartiles. So quartiles, I told in the chapter number 3, quartiles first. In one set, it will divide it into 4 parts. First quartile, second quartile, third quartile, and fourth quartile. So first quartile 0 point means 25%. This is also 25%. Each quartile divided into 25% only. So first quartile only 25%, second quartile 50%, this is called median also. Third quartile 75% because 25 you will add it, and this is fourth one is called 100%. So quartile are the measure which divide the data into 4 equal parts, and each part contains an equal number of observation. Equal number of observation because 25%, 25%, 25. So that is the equal number of observation. Calculating quartiles require calculation of median. Median is what? 50%. Quartiles are often used in educational achievement data, sales and survey data to divide population into groups. Yes, through the groups you can divide it. For example, use quartile to find the top 25%. Top 25%, that means here it is talking about of the first quartile 0.25%. A box plot is the visual representation of the statistical summary of a given data set. Box plot. Okay, so in the box plot it will display in the quartile. The summary includes minimum value, quartile 1, quartile 2, median, and then quartile 4 and maximum value. Because quartile 1, quartile 2, median is what? 50%. Okay, and then quartile 4, this is 1, 2, where is 3? 2 will come here in the middle, and then this is 3, and then afterwards 4, and minimum and maximum value. The whiskers are the two lines outside the box. This is called whiskers. This one. This is called whiskers. This is outlier that extend to the highest and the lowest. So whisker is how many? Two lines. So it is the outer line. So look at here. Here whiskers, and here this is the whiskers. So this is the extent of the lines it will display. It also help in identifying the outliers also. Means from upwards cannot go, from minimum we cannot go. This is them. And the numerically and outer is the observation that is numerically distant from the rest of the data. We will see. Look at here. Quartile 4, 25% it will display. This is upper quartile. Then middle, this is median. Okay, already has written median. Then after quartile 2, quartile 1. So this is the lower part. Then first 25%, then second 25%. So whenever second 25% came, this is 50% will display. 50% means median. Okay, so then afterwards third quartile, this is called upper quartile, and this is the fourth quartile. This is 100% from here to here. Okay, fourth quartile. So upper quartile is called 75%. This is median. Quartile 2 is called median, and quartile 1 is called lower quartile. And this is the minimum range, and that is the maximum range. So and this is called whisker. Whisker is the outer line. So this is the example has given in the 5 subjects. That one you will do it in the CSV file format, kind equal to box, whenever you will mention it. Then afterwards you will do it this program, you will get it the result with the whisker. Whenever you will write it box, kind equal to box, kind equal to box. So then what happened? It will display like that with the whisker. Look at here. Okay. And every box has mentioned also this one. This is the maximum range, minimum range. This is the graph. You can do it. Customize box plot. We can display the whiskers in horizontal direction also. So what will write? Vert equal to false. When you will write it vert equals to false, then it will come to the horizontal direction. Look at here. Vert equal to false. See, came to the horizontal. Now plotting pie chart. Pie chart is what? It is a type of graph in which a circle is divided into different sector. So pie chart, what we will see? Sector. And each sector represents a part of the whole. Each sector means in the pie chart will do it, and this is the, it will display to the each sector as a whole. Means suppose this is Monday, so Monday's data it will display the whole data it will display. So this is called in the whole, a part of the whole. Okay, part of the whole. This is the full 100% data, and this 100% data, whenever suppose this is 0.2%, so this one it will display in the part of the data, then another like that. A pie plot is used to represent numerical data proportionally. To plot a pie chart, either column label y or subplot equal to true. Whenever to plot a pie chart, so what will write? As a column label will mention it y, otherwise subplots equal to true. See, every plots has different parameters. Just like histogram is which parameters? Beans. And beans automatically will take by the systems. So should be set while using df.plot equal to kind equal to pi. If no column reference is passed and subplot equal to true, a pi plot is drawn for each numerical column independently. If you will not write this one, so then it will display each column independently. Look at here, y equal to mass has mentioned. Y equal to mass means this is the data. This is taken, mass has taken, radius has taken, index has taken. So y equal to mass means column label, this one, y label, what they want to mention, mass. So look at Mercury, Venus and Earth, mention that in the pie chart. This is of the geographical area, forest cover, index in the state wise has mentioned. So this one also has mentioned. Customization of a pie chart, you can, two more parameters you can add it, explode and auto percent. Explode to specify the fraction of the radius with which to explode or expand each slot. Means you want to explode it, means expand it. So then through the explode you can auto percent to display the percentage of that part as the label. If you want to display with the percentage how many percent of that particular sub part, so that times auto PCT you will write it, and explode in the, it will expand it and then afterwards it will showing the difference also. See, this is okay, each part it is more visible. Look at here, this is the Arunachal Pradesh and this is separation. Okay, Tripura, Nagaland, Mizoram, Meghalaya, Manipur, Assam. So this is the pie chart. So pie chart, what you have seen as a new, that is explode and auto percent. Explode and auto percent, we have seen that. And till how many fractions? 0.2f means 0.2 fractions. This is the scatter part. This is pi in the pie chart. So now just for the 1 minute revision, now tell me that first dot plt function, dot plot by default it will take to the line graph. If you want to change it to the bar graph, bar h, we have seen that bar h, then histogram, scatter, pie, box. These types of charts we have seen. And histogram, what is the beans is there? Pi, explode, and what is there? Auto percent, box, in the line graph we have seen that line style, line width, line color, this one, marker size, bar h, horizontal bar graph, so we have seen. Whenever you will watch, means whenever you will attend this session, afterwards if you have any doubt children, so then you just write the message in the comment sections. As soon as possible I will clear your doubt. Okay, so thank you very much.